Welcome to our historical journey through the evolution of the C programming language. In this video, we'll explore the origins, development, and enduring legacy of C, a language that has shaped the landscape of modern computing. Our story begins in the early 1960s, during the dawn of the digital age. As computers became more prevalent, so did the need for programming languages. Fortran and COBOL were among the first high-level languages, but they were specialized and lacked the flexibility needed for system programming. In the late 1960s and early 1970s, Dennis Ritchie and his colleagues at Bell Labs sought to develop a language that combined the power of assembly language with the portability of high-level languages. This led to the birth of C, a language designed for systems programming and operating systems development. C was revolutionary for its time. It offered low-level access to memory, efficient code execution, and a simple, elegant syntax. Its flexibility and portability made it an ideal choice for developing operating systems like Unix, which played a pivotal role in the rise of C's popularity. Throughout the 1970s and 1980s, C grew in popularity, becoming the lingua franca of systems programming. Its influence extended beyond operating systems to application development, with the emergence of languages like C++ and Objective-C, which built upon C's foundation. In 1983, the American National Standards Institute, ANSI, began the process of standardizing the C language, leading to the creation of ANSI C in 1989. This standardization ensured consistency and compatibility across different implementations of the language. Despite the emergence of newer languages, C remains a cornerstone of modern computing. It continues to be used in critical systems, embedded software, game development, and more. Its performance, reliability, and versatility make it indispensable in a world driven by technology. From its humble beginnings at Bell Labs to its pervasive presence in today's technology landscape, the journey of the C programming language is one of innovation, resilience, and enduring relevance. As we continue to push the boundaries of computing, let us not forget the language that laid the foundation for it all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Happy coding!